Hello everyone and very welcome back to my channel. My name is Ella and you're in English Story with Ella. In this channel you can learn English through the stories. At first I read the story for you. Then I explain any difficult words. And after that we have 10 questions about the story for you to answer. This will help you understand the lesson better. At the end I share the text of the story for you. Now it's your turn. Try to read and practice. So let's get started and have fun together. Max and Luna's winter fun. It was winter and the snow covered the ground. Max and Luna loved the snow. The world looked like a magical place with fluffy white snowflakes falling from the sky. Let's build a snowman, said Max, his eyes sparkling with excitement. Yes, let's make it big, said Luna, jumping up and down. They rolled big snowballs and stacked them one on top of the other. Max found a carrot for the nose, while Luna searched for some shiny stones for the eyes. They even added a scarf made of an old piece of cloth. Their snowball looked funny, with a big smile on its face. After finishing the snowman, they decided to have a snowball fight. They laughed and threw snowballs at each other, dodging and rolling in the soft snow. They played until it got dark, their cheeks rosy from the cold and their hearts warm with joy. As night fell, they gathered around the cozy fire with their friends. They all enjoyed mugs of hot chocolate topped with fluffy marshmallows. This is the best winter day, said Luna, smiling at her friends. Max nodded in agreement. I love spending time with all of you. They share stories and jokes, making memories that would last forever. The stars twinkled above them, and the moon shone brightly, lighting up their happy faces. As they finished their hot chocolate, Max said, Let's do this again tomorrow. Luna replied, Yes, every winter day can be special if we're together. And so they planned more fun winter activities for the days to come, knowing that enjoying time with friends makes every season special. Ground. The solid surface of the earth. The children played on the ground in the park. Magical. Relating to magic. The magical forest was filled with glowing creatures. Fluffy. Soft and light. The puppy had a fluffy coat that was fun to pet. Snowflakes. Ice crystals that falls from the sky as snow. Each snowflake is unique in its design. Sparkle. shine brightly with flashes of light. The diamonds on her necklace began to sparkle in the sunlight. Roll. To move by turning over and over on a surface. He decided to roll down the hill for fun. Stack. A pile of objects placed one on top of another. She made a stack of books on her desk. Dodging. Avoiding something by moving quickly aside. He was dodging raindrops as he ran to his car. Joy. A feeling of great pleasure and happiness. The children's laughter filled the room with joy. Cozy. Comfortable and warm. The cabin was cozy, perfect for a winter getaway. Gather. To come together. We will gather at the park for a picnic. Nod. To move one's head up and down. She gave a nod to show that she understood. Twinkle. To shine with a flickering or shimmering light. The stars began to twinkle as night fell.